this $250,000 Lamborghini.
That thing looks sick.
That Lambo sound nasty.
For game one, if you manage to throw a dodgeball through any one of those 5 hoops, we will give your biggest fan the car.
Oh my God!
That is right. We have your biggest fan. All 30 of you have the opportunity to pay back your biggest fan with a free car. But if you step up and throw the ball and miss the circle, it does not go through it, then you're eliminated. Open the circle.
Oh, the circle's back? It's like Fortnite.
Once you step in here, it's official. So which one of you is going to risk elimination and $1 million to give your biggest fan a car?
Man, F this, man.
Comedian Jay Farrow is our first contender. Bring in his fan.
I got him. What's going on, Jay?
What's going on, man?
Oh, man.
Which car do you want to win him? Obviously, the Lamborghini is further away.
It's gonna be that one.